because I feel every day should start like this. So this is our vehicle for the day. Let's get going. Good morning everyone. So we are in Ford Focus. This is my dad's car. 2014 Ford Focus 2-liter diesel, 2-liter TDCi automatic. Well, Ford calls it power shift. We're off to VagSpec for service. Again, just a mile. Yeah, now you can see it's not a VW. Taking the car down to VagSpec just for service quickly. December's coming. We plan to use this car for a road trip, the long road to PE. So yeah, making sure everything is in check. On Saturday we replaced the front tires, we replaced the brake discs. So yeah, just doing the necessary checks and balances and keeping the maintenance in check. The car's got 224, 495, full service history, but we changed the engine December last year and we rebuilt the gearbox. Other than that, this car is very nice, very powerful. Leather interior, Bluetooth infotainment system, multifunctional steering wheel. Like I said, automatic power shift gearbox. So these plus and minus buttons is actually gear up, gear down. Electric windows, electric mirrors. It's a full house car, very nice car. Few stuff in the back, but yeah, car still in a decent condition. Seats is very nice. So this car was also previously a car of mine that I bought to buy and sell, and then my daddy had a Ford Fiesta at the time, and then he wanted this car, so we essentially just sold his Fiesta and then he took this one. He's been happy with the car thus far. So yeah, very reliable car, very powerful car, full of torque. It really moves, as you can see, it moves. It's not lazy, it's comfortable, and it's actually bigger than my car. We were looking at the car in the garage last night, and normally we can't see the blue car really if we're inside the house with the garage door open or the interleading door to the garage, but this car stands out quite a chunk. So yeah, I'll catch you guys when I'm at VagSpec, and let's go for a drive. So Johan is running through the car at the bottom quickly.
You have stabilizers in there.
So might as well just do both.
Yeah, stabilizers, but
Cool, so the Ford's on the left, car looks good at the bottom. Stabilizer link here. Let me see if I can use the gimbal to point to it. So it's the spin that goes up here, that one there. That one has some play on it, so normally if one has play, you just replace both.
So what you do is you spray the sunblock just for seepage, just to seal the...
Well, let's see what the guy's up to. Okay, so yeah, I'm just showing me what they're doing on this Everest here. Okay, so Johan, you can explain for the camera what's going on here.
Yeah, so it's basically we're doing a stage one, front pump, intercooler, downpipe, and hybrid turbo. So it's going to be kicking. It's going to be kicking on this time.
Maintenance or client request?
Client request.
Let's see what's Tariq up to here. It's like brakes on the one side and look like the axle that's out on the other side. What are you guys up to here?
We're removing the axles from this Amarok.
I think what Jared's up to here. Jared, what you braking?
Huh? Me braking nothing because we're changing the seals on this drive shaft for the Amarok. We changed the wheel bearings yesterday, and upon testing there was a little one drop of oil, so just to be sure I'm going to put a new seal in just to be sure.
Just in case anyone was wondering what Johan drives, that's his Club Sport. Okay, Johan, so what are we up to here?
Okay, so basically we are just updating the ECU software. Customer replaced the ECU, but got the wrong software. So we're just going to update the software, then we'll be ready to go again.
Cool. So what are we doing here out of interest?
This guy's complaining about his aircon keeps on cutting out and shit. But the fuse plate was corroded. So it basically shuts off your consumables.
Looks like wherever you can find a spanner, Jared's there.
Yeah, so I've just replaced the pressure sensor and the various seals and crucial components for this Megatronics. I'm just busy assembling everything. Goes back into the gearbox, change the gearbox oil filter, pump the oil in, follow the filling procedure, and then go and test.
Okay, so Johan's trying to get out the oil filter, which is hidden somewhere in here.
Very awkward place.
The aircon for us on the fourth quickly. VagSpec now. It's been a fun 2 sessions, I would say. Yeah. basic servicing, etc. So this would be the end of today's video. And again, like I mentioned yesterday, highly recommended, and definitely the guys that I would recommend anyone to do any mechanical repairs and servicing. Free coffee, free car wash as well. So that's what you call service. On to the next one. I'll be back here next week. Stay tuned for that one. And the drive-by is over and out.